Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will introduce how do you use the Canvas to study your module LM1403 Mandarin 1. So this is the student view of the Canvas. When you log on to this module LM1403, you will see these sections. When you click the home, this is the home page of your Mandarin 1. And before everything, just to help you get to be familiar with this module, I recommend you to read through all these sections. The first one is the module introduction. If you click the link, you will see this page, module introduction, and you can read through everything. At the end, you can also find some interesting links, websites to assist your learnings. And the assignments, the assignment list show you what kind of assignments you are going to do. But at this moment, most of the assignments are not published yet. You will look at the assignment list from time to time, and I will also remind you to complete your assignment. And of course, the other very important part is the course syllabus. You also can use the navigator to access to the syllabus. So when you click the course syllabus, you can see the detailed structure of this course. So first of all, you can look at a brief introduction, and it will show you every week what are you going to do. So you can also use these links to look at each week what kind of work you have to do and what are those learning objectives. We get back to the home page, and at the end there is a link to the teaching materials. The teaching materials are very useful for you to study with the lecture, and also for you to do your workload. If you open the page of teaching materials, you can see the link to the e-textbook online, and also for LM1403 Mandarin 1, you can access to this link on the Quizlet just to study your vocabulary and practice, memorize the new words you are going to learn with each lesson. And I also provide you the textbook of Level 1 Mandarin 1, the PDF downloadable file. If you want the traditional PDF version of the text, you can download from the Canvas. And there are also video links to audio links to each lesson, just for you to download or just play online. So
新实用汉语课本第一册
So you can listen to each lesson's audio, practice your listening. And at the end, this is the video list, which are the links to the YouTube videos, and all those videos are the conversations of the texts. So we get back to the home page of your Canvas. So this is basically the home page, and from the navigator here, you can also access to the announcement of this module. So anything I would like you to know, I will post on the Canvas. And discussion is for you to post any discussion questions, so you can get advice or suggestions from your peers. And of course, I will also reply to your question posts here. And the grades, it's for the results, but some of the grades are not shown to you, so only the lecturer can have access to this most of the time. And I think the other very interesting link is the pages. So bear in your mind, all the information we have to use pages to show to you, but I highly recommend you follow the course syllabus to access to each pages, because there might be too many pages for you to read and you would not know the order. So to study in an order, you should access to your course syllabus first, and the course syllabus will lead you to the page you should read. I will take the example of the first week's page. So first of all, you can either click this link to the course syllabus or click the link in the navigator to the course syllabus. So once you click here or open it in a new tab, you will look at the course syllabus. And when you look at the course syllabus, let's say it's going to be the second week, and all the lectures start from the second week. So you can click this link, and it actually links to you the calendar of your module. And this is another view to show you each week what you have to do. So this is the second week, and if you look at the second week, the details, second week you should do lesson 1, 你好. So you open the page of the second week, and you can look at here, week 2, lesson 1, meaning the second week you should get to know something about lesson 1, 你好. And on this page, normally all the pages with these sections, the first one is the lecture. What do you have to study? And bear in your mind, you have to study with the lecture 4 hours per week. So all the activities you can follow to complete these events or the activities for the lectures. And next session is the workload. The workload is for you to do by yourself. Sometimes it's the exercise, sometimes it's the pronunciation drills, and sometimes it shows you that you have to complete assignments. And after doing all this, at the end, you will see this section. You can ask yourself, do you know all this content? If you know, and you may move on to the next week page. So we look at the lecture sections here. There are a variety of activities. You can watch videos or doing some sort of reading. And you may also see after videos or after the lectures, you have to complete a quiz. So for example, we look at these quiz. The quiz is Mandarin vowels, because for the second week, you are going to learn the Chinese phonetic system, Pinyin. So you should take the quiz after watching the videos or do the readings. And bear in your mind, please, if you don't do the quiz, somehow it means you did not attend or did not study with the lectures, and it may affect your final results. Anyway, to access to different quizzes, you can also use the links in the navigator. So basically, this is how do you study with the Canvas. So I repeat once again. First of all, look at your home page and read through everything. Get familiar with your module on Canvas. And each week, don't forget, you should study with the activities in the section of the lecture. Watch the video, do the reading, finish the quizzes, and also you should work on your own with the activities in the section of workload. And at the end, assess yourself whether you can finish this week's study and to move on. And before everything, with other pages, actually you can see that each lesson, what are the learning objectives. So at the end, don't forget, if you have any questions, always look for help from me. You can email me or by clicking the people here. When you see the people of this module, you can see those lectures and your peer classmates. You can contact your classmates as you want, or you can contact me by clicking my name and send email to me. So this is basically how do you use Canvas. Any question, please don't feel hesitate to drop me an email. So happy learning Mandarin.